Yeah, but we put
guys, people. Just look by my eyes them. Red. It's like me nah cry the living yeah water, but me I cry inside yo, cause it shock me like me can't believe say somebody would have really do this. Just like that, like take a man nothing for do this.
yeah, to the beach first. Shocking, you know.
See what me I say? Alright now, me I do a video yeah. I want some people out there to understand themselves and know say you can't just do the right thing and done, Yeah, man. You can't just do the right thing and done, man. You see me? No joke. Kind of take a man not to do the right thing. Babes are cut up in your weed. Yeah. But when I want make the whole crowd know and my fans them know. Say yo, mankind. It's not normal, man. Alright, me will tell you something. You see Image and Dolly? I truly would even know who them people they be. You see them come on social media and then go and like say yeah and then go and like say yeah and then go and like them tough and them buff and them. Then go and like say yo. May I tell you, if you ever know the real truth about them, it's shock you all like uno. Shock uno. No joke. You see me? Me I tell you no what going on, But me only try if you make you understand say yo people can do the right thing and help one another. No joke. Image and Dolly do me a thing where me nah go forget it. Yeah? Me nah go forget it, yo. Me tell you what them do. Yesterday me there. And me see a comment coming up on my YouTube channel, yeah? Team J&J Family. But soon, I go change a name there to Jesse's Flame. You see me? But me just make you know the whole facts.
Because there is no team more, there's no
Because
more
there is
teams
no
there.
more Team J&J Family, okay? But me soon get down to that. But the whole point is, when me I try to get to yesterday, I see it coming in the comment section, one of my movie them, yeah? And the person comment and say, Image and Dolly send me. If I say, yo, somebody I make mistake.
Like in the full story said.
No, man, me I get down to the full story. But at first, me I say, yo. At first, me I say, yo. As somebody make the mistake, they like, you see me? Tommy, before me go no further, daddy, big up yourself. No joke. Cause it's like when me see it, the second thing come to my mind, different from it was a mistake. I have to Tommy do this.
You
see me? I first thing that me said to you? Yes, I have to Tommy do this.
This morning when she say I don't joke she make. No man, you first she did say Tommy. You see me?
Yeah, so even when you say you're Ray, me I tell you, me give you props every day even before this, but me I tell you, me have to stick up in and give you props, mama. No joke. Me just sorry say you work have you busy where we can't get to do some more show for people them cause my sister people like them love wait your turn. Like me did know say wait your turn gonna be a hit. But that another point to me come to talk about the whole point is Image and Dolly. Me I send a big big. Thank you. Swear. Me appreciate it. No joke. Whole heap of vlogger not do that. Whole heap of them not doing it. Me would have do it because me do it already. Me just look on it like nothing. And everybody have it art like when me and you have yo. Like seriously. You see me don't know your Dolly in person, but me meet image
Big up
already.
yourself, Dolly and Image. Image and Dolly.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself. Big up Tommy.
Free man.
Me there in that video, just remember that movie.
So at one point now, me meet Image already in person. Me see him at the bank one time I be here. I say Image room, a funny room, what you think all the while. You see me? Yeah. And at one point now, me never get to meet your Dolly, but me I tell you, mama, you have to go. I don't know if you go see a video here, but me not lie, but I like to meet you in person, girl. No joke. Me would have a corona time, but we can't keep it look at this, that. Me would have like to meet you in person. Same time me live same, no live far from Uno. You see me? Tommy always I make me know say, yo, Jason knows say right there so Image move side of my uncle Ray and me, anytime I get the chance, me I go try beg them for a shout out for we channel because basically it's Tommy channel too. Cause I will away do this. And Tommy you push me whole heap and me I tell him I love you, you know? Love you, yo. This one keep the thing real. They want cuss a bad word yo, but me I tell you, me rated that. No joke and I show this. I don't want me tell you. But what me I say is Image and Dolly, big up yourself, enough respect. And me I tell you upon the floor, you know have me a role yesterday.
Where come from?
I'm not sure.
Comment
I think
below.
Dolly come from Toe. Remember Toe?
Comment below where Image and Dolly come from.
Remember.
I see it and with yourself and then here with link up.
For Toe but I mean, them live close by. Me know the place. Cause I go up there already with time. I go get the stuff with them deal with yeah. From our uncle. So me not have an idea with it all. So when I go just pop up on a place, if you not watch a video, but I want to know feel like link up, man. Me not joke. This is you know how long me want link, you know? I swear, but you know 2 more while not too. Go on, you see me and me I say, yo, we can't take the one local food that we have and just do so and then tomorrow famine. You have to think straight up, you see me? So at one point, me know we did all link and I still I go want an next show too. Cause I know say phone the crowd, love you know. So you see anytime I can go so boom and knock you know, with a piece of food there, live and direct man, me a link you know. Is it make me I tell you the subscriber it move like it did a 1,990 and it there 2,000 I got to 2020 I know or something like that. You see me and enough respect. Nah lie, enough respect. But they even know how to thank you know. You see me? Blessing ya man, trust me. You don't have to make it in a life, you know. You nobody watch the people them was say no prank fake and nobody watch them negative. All of that I go come in. Cause even a what day me I watch one scene where some people are so you all of that I go come in. All of that I go come in. You see me?
People say them prank fake, like them say.
Then even Dre and Shen say it too. Say him no business if people want to say them prank fake. Them rate them. Dre and Shen do a video just like this and I say yo big shout out to Image and Dolly car. It's like the man and him wife I say yo push them to the limit they wish part. Then they did expect so much from you. I mean nah like me love that and me watch a video there couple weeks ago. I see a video there.
Yeah, but the important part now about the name change because
Well, I know, I'm not done talk, man. Well, I know.
Do you sound like you wrap up the video?
Me a reason. So.
We have to watch news there, like.
Watch news, if you know what going on.
We don't watch news. I try to pretend to YouTube. We don't watch news.
Me watch my news. I know about you. Alright. The next thing now, the channel, it name Team J&J Family. Well, I'm going to change Team J&J Family to Jesse's Flame.
Like, I put it up right now in the this part of the video upon this camera. Upon the
Yeah.
screen. So you know,
Jesse's flame. So
I put it up now.
So we don't know say
That is
at
put it up
8,
on the video.
yeah, we are putting our bracket Jesse's flame. So no know say change. But probably go take a look while before Team Janje come out, you know, YouTube already. Them things same time. Even a change a profile pic and thing.
0.5. Oh.
No.
Which is.
But now I kiss on the live. I just want Image and Dolly if you know say. Thanks. Thanks. I grung gonna have me a roll yesterday. Grung me jump. I know like I mean, yo, one people could have so good, yo. Like, no good people out there, no. Don't get me wrong, you know. Is it me come have Instagram page. It named Jesse's That Foundation. It's a charity page. If anyone want to donate and stuff, it's like it in need of help. People who's on the street, people who can really afford food, and them something there's like me build a page for that because me never really start step up on it really, but anytime me start a different thing, cause me I go start off out of my pocket. You see me show the people then say me serious, cause you a whole lot of hungry people out there, you know. And a whole heap of YouTuber out there right now in a Jamaica now do nothing for them country youth.
True, man.
And more while it pain me heart to see how now watch a man money or nothing, but at least a man can help too. Like, I mean, not because I know your brother and sister out there on the street hungry with 1 foot, 1 honor, you know. Some people have to Jano daddy, me I tell you, me just want the page there for rise, which what me can just help people. Yeah, man, no joke, man. Jesse's That Foundation. So anybody will watch this, we want donate and think can always DM me. You see me? And we are going to do videos and stuff when we are doing things. Same way to make people see what we are doing. Jesse's That Foundation and Instagram. It's a charity page. So that is basically it. As I say, Image and Dolly, big shout out. Tammy, you're large. Larger than large, girl. Trust me. And Frost, I think she was saying that a Frost tell Image and Dolly. I think she did say something like that this morning. Frost, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself.